I absolutely love this light. The power is phenomenal. The durability of it, the look, it looks cool. It looks like an F1 car.
Using these lights is borderline cheating in honesty.
The Anova Pro 3 is a beast. Rotolight is a pioneering British technology company that specialises in making advanced LED lighting products for filmmakers and content creators all over the world. Building on the success of our previous record-breaking Kickstarter, we're delighted to announce that today we're back with a brand new campaign for the most advanced light we've ever made, the Anova Pro 3. Designed for both filmmakers and content creators alike, the Anova Pro 3 delivers an incredible output of over 22,000 lux at 1 meter, which is more than double the previous generation Anova and even the EOS 2 Pro. Featuring IP65 water resistance, the Anova Pro 3 has been designed for the most challenging weather conditions, from heavy rain to snow. Combined with its class-leading power output and native dual V-lock battery operation, the Anova Pro 3 is an all-weather powerhouse, equally at home on location and in the studio. Featuring a brand new Magic Eye optical light sensor, the Anova Pro 3 can measure and instantly match to any ambient Kelvin or HSI value, eliminating the need for light meters and making it possible to match to other light sources with the touch of a button. Thanks to our unique RGBWW color technology, the Anova Pro 3 features an incredible range of creative possibilities, with over 16.7 million different colors and 2,500 digital gels, all built right in. With a wide range of modifiers available, including barn doors, honeycomb grid, soft boxes, and compatible with Rotolight's award-winning, patented smart softbox technology, electronically adjusts diffusion, focus, and spread without the need for additional modifiers. The Anova Pro 3 enables filmmakers and content creators to shape and mold the light to their exacting needs. Weighing in at just 3.5 kilograms or 7 pounds, the Anova Pro 3 is uniquely lightweight whilst being incredibly powerful, making it a versatile tool on shoot or location. As well as its incredible output in continuous mode, the Anova Pro 3 is also ideal for hybrid shooters, featuring high-speed sync flash with inbuilt Godox, Profoto, and Elinchrom Skyport receivers, with absolutely zero recycle time, meaning that you never miss a shot. Featuring Rotolight's award-winning suite of Cine effects, including fire, police, lightning, and TV, instantly add drama to any scene at a moment's notice. The Anova Pro 3 has been exclusively designed and manufactured in the UK to our award-winning production facility, that's shared by Boeing Aerospace and Red Bull Formula One. The Anova Pro 3 builds on the legacy of the previous generation models, which have been used extensively on shows such as ITV's Dancing on Ice, and filmmakers including Stefan Langer, and movies such as Ghostbusters Afterlife. The Anova Pro series has also been used to capture portraits of iconic celebrities, including Hugh Grant, Margot Robbie, Keira Knightley, Idris Elba, and many more.
I'm really excited about the Anova Pro 3. In the work that I'm doing, the key to be able to succeed is to be able to work creatively and create something beautiful, but have to do it very fast. And anything which allows me to make quick changes is going to be of great advantage to me. The Anova Pro 3 has a whole lot more punch.
I've got a lot of gels, but certainly not 16 million, So having the simplicity just to turn a dial, it just makes workflow just so much faster for sure. Look, I think if you've never used any of the Rotolight products before, the Anova Pro 3 is by far and away their best light. It's just phenomenal.
I've used this on set today and it is phenomenal. With the RGB, the IP65, the fact that this light is so portable, so powerful, the long-lasting battery life, the fact that it can use in any conditions, the weather, doesn't matter the conditions, this light can adapt. Guys, if you haven't checked out the Anova Pro 3, you need to.
The Anova Pro 3, it's going to be hard to beat. It's really setting the standard in 1x1s and what they should be. It's a game changer.
Following the incredible support of our backers from the last campaign, we're delighted to be back with our latest innovation, offering filmmakers and content creators the unique opportunity to be amongst the first in the world to own these incredible new lights. So back us today We can't wait to see what you're going to create.